Today's lesson will cover data collection and presentation. Ungrouped data. Ungrouped data is one in which the raw data has occurrences or frequencies more than and are without class intervals. In the formulation of a frequency table for ungrouped data, two basic steps are taken. Prepare a tally sheet. This is when the variables are taken one after the other with a stroke called tally. The tally of 5 makes a bundle. Prepare a frequency table. The frequency table is simply obtained by adding the tallies together in a separate column referred to as frequency. Measures of central tendency. Measures of central tendency are values that show the degree to which a given dataset or any given set of values will converge toward the central point of the data. The mean is defined as the sum of a series of figures divided by the number of observations. It is the commonest and the most widely used among the other types of averages or measures of central tendency. Types of mean: the arithmetic mean, the geometric mean, the quadratic mean. Advantages of the mean: it is easy to derive or calculate. It is easy to interpret. Disadvantages of the mean: it is difficult to determine without calculation. Some facts may be concealed. The median is an average, which is the middle value when figures are arranged in their order of magnitude either in ascending or descending order, especially from ungrouped data. Advantages of the median: it is easy to determine with little or no calculations. It is easy to understand and compute. Disadvantages of the median: it is not useful in further statistical calculations. It ignores very large or small values. The mode is the most frequently recurring number in a set of numbers or data, that is to say, it is the number or value with the highest frequency. It tells us the observation which is most popular. The best and easiest way of calculating the mode of any distribution is to form a frequency table for it. Merits: it can be easily understood. Easy to calculate from the graph. Demerits: it can be a poor average. It can be difficult to compute if more than one mode exists. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.